Heard that you fuck with killer, so that was just and ever since then, my ended pessimistic. I don't wanna see me with no part to piss in, but niggas been inside about the grave and digging. Have a couple of my hate decisions, fucking sickening. At the same time, Slipknot, put some out of stress, got me fucked up, been fucked up since a couple months they had a nigga locked up. I'll be feeling pain just
Bomb has been defused.